my name is Sonali and this is Translate.Video. Today I am going to show you how you can let other people make money for you. And that is simply through the power of affiliate marketing. Do the work once and make money while you snooze. Let the affiliate marketing be your passive income. You can connect, you can collaborate, you can grow your network and earn while doing so. Translate.Video isn't just revolutionizing the video translation space, but it is also giving you a chance to cash in on their success. Here's how it goes. The process is quite simple. You just have to go to our website. I'll leave a link down in the description below and just scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to see become an affiliate. Just click on that. So once you click on it, you'll come to a page like this where you need to fill in some details like your first name, last name, email address, password, and then you just have to click on sign up. After you're done signing up, you'll be able to access this dashboard. This is your affiliate dashboard that you can track how many visitors you have sent to our website and how many leads you've gotten, how many conversions you have gotten. So to share it with your peers and followings, what you need to do is just copy this link and you can paste it in your YouTube description or in your Instagram link, or you can share it directly to your followers. So whoever comes through your link will directly come to our landing page. So they will be counted as a visitor. And if they sign up to our tool, app.translate.video tool, they will be counted as a lead. And once they go to the billing page and buy a subscription, they will be counted as a conversion. And once the conversion is done, you'll get the commission. So on each sale, you will be getting 10% commission. So say a person buys a subscription and every time they pay for this subscription, so the subscription is monthly basis, so every month when they pay for the subscription, you will get 10% commission on each payment. This is how our referral program works. Ready to ride the wave of affiliate marketing with Translate.Video? Sign up now. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.